student, how are you all? In our last video, we have started our new chapter, that is exponent. Today we will discuss about the laws of exponent. So put your heading on the copy, laws of exponent. Laws of exponent. There are some laws regarding this chapter. You have to study this, and then we will solve some question. Now, first question, first law, law 1. First law is, if a to the power m into a to the power m, if base are same, here base is a, here also base is a. If base is same and there is multiplication between them, you have to add the power. Okay. If base are same and there is multiplication sign between them, then we can add the power. Suppose, take an example, 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 4. What we are watching, base are same. In both the exponent, in both the number, base is same, that is 5. Then what we can do? We can add the power. 5 to the power 3 plus 4. And this gives us 4 plus 3, 7. This is our answer. Okay. Where m and n are any integers. This is valid for all integers, whether it is positive or negative. Okay. Now take second law. Second law, what second law tells us? A by b to the power n whole to the power n. A by b is any rational number and n is any integer. N is also integer. M and n are integer in this case also. M is power of the a by b and n is the power of the whole of this exponent. Then what the second law says, we can multiply this to power. So we can write a by b to the power m into n. This is the second law. Now we can see some examples. Suppose 7 by 5 to the power 3 to the whole power 4. Okay. We can multiply these two numbers. 7 by 5 to the power 12. 7 by 5 by 12. Okay. I think you are all understanding. साथ में आप नोट भी करते जाओ. Now, what the third law says? Third law. सबको नोट कर दो एक बार, इसको हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे. If a by b to the power m into c by d to the power m to the power n, m. If base are different but power is same, we can take common power. We can take power as common. So we can write a by b multiplied c by d to the power whole power n. Because power is same, we can take power as common. Okay. Now fourth one. Okay. Fourth one. If a by b to the power n divided by a by b to the power n. If base are same and there is a multiplication sign between them, then we can subtract the power m minus n. Okay. Example, 2 by 3 to the power 7 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 4. Here base are same and there is a division sign between them, then we can subtract the power. एक बार बेस लिखो अब पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो 7 minus 4 that is 3. This is the required answer. Okay, this is the fourth law. Now fifth one. Fifth law says, law number fifth, a by b to the power minus m, a to the power b minus m. What does this means? If negative sign is present in the power, it means you have to reciprocate the rational number. मतलब अगर a by b है तो you have to write b upon a, but power remain the same. ठीक है, पावर remain the same. अगर पावर नेगेटिव साइन होगा तो उसका मतलब क्या है, जो रेशनल नंबर दिया हुआ उसको क्या कर देंगे, रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे, लेकिन पावर वही रहेगा, पावर वही रहता है. एग्जांपल देखो 9 by 7 to the power minus 5, 9 by 7 to the power minus 5, पावर नेगेटिव है, इट मींस इसको क्या कर देंगे, इट गेट रेसिप्रोकल. 9 by 7 है तो क्या मिलेगा 7 by 9 to the power 5, पावर सेम रहता है, बस हम क्या कर देंगे, इसको पलट देंगे. ठीक है, और देखो एग्जांपल, अगर लिखा रहेगा 5 to the power minus 3, 5 to the power minus 3, it means 5 by 1 minus 3. Okay, 5 by 1, this means 5 by 1 to the power minus 3, and power negative sign, power में तो उसको चेंज कर देंगे 1 by 5 power 3. Okay, these are 5 laws. Now there are some assumption which is made in this chapter. Suppose any number, whether it is positive, negative, fraction, rational number, irrational number, any number to the power 0 is equals to 1. इसका ऐसा मान लिया गया, कोई भी नंबर अगर कोई भी नंबर है, चाहे पॉजिटिव हो नेगेटिव हो, अगर पावर 0 रहेगा तो क्या करेंगे, इसको ले लेंगे 1, इसका वैल्यू 1 होता है. ठीक है, चलो कुछ क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. आज जितना हम लॉस पढ़े हैं इस पर कुछ क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर रिगार्डिंग द एग्जामिनेशन. Simplify and express with positive exponent. Simplify and express. Simplify and express with positive exponent. With positive exponent. Simplify and express with positive exponent. Minus 7 by 9. Minus 7 by 9 to the power 8 minus 8 multiply minus 7 by 9 power minus 11 multiply 7 by 9 multiply 7 by 9. You have to simplify it and express with a positive exponent. Exponent should be positive, it means power should be positive. Okay, what we are observing in this question, base are same, 7 by minus 7 by 9, minus 7 by 9 or minus 7 by 9, and between the bases multiplication are present. So what we do, I just read first law. If a to power m into a to power m, we can add the power. अगर base सेम रहेगा तो पावर को ऐड कर देंगे, पावर को ऐड कर देंगे. तो क्या बेस सेम है ना, बेस सेम तो क्या करते हैं, पावर को ऐड कर देंगे. तो एक बार बेस लिखो और पावर को ऐड कर दो. माइनस 8 प्लस माइनस 11 और प्लस 1 और प्लस 1. नाउ माइनस 7 by 9 माइनस 8 ये प्लस माइनस माइनस 11 और प्लस 1. माइनस 7 by 9 minus 8 minus 11, that is minus 19 plus 1, minus 7 by 9, it implies minus 18. And we have just read, if power is present in the power, if negative sign is present in the power, then we can reciprocate it. Minus 9 by 7 to the power 18. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. Minus 9 by 7 to the power 18. Okay. Now next question. Come to the next question. Simplify. Question 1. 4 to the power minus 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 1 to the power whole power minus 2. And take another example. 6 to the power minus 1 minus 8 to the power minus 1 power minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 minus 3 to the power minus 1. This is minus. Now you have to solve these two questions. Can you solve this? Pause the video, you can solve, and then you can check the answer later on. 4 power minus 1. We can write it 1 upon 4 because negative sign is present in the power. 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. First, we have to solve this equation. So 1 by 4 multiplied 3 power minus 2. It means this implies 3 by 4 to the power minus 2. And negative sign 4 by 3 to the power 2. 4 ka square by 3 ka square means 16 by 9. This is the required answer. Okay. In the same way, we can solve this 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 to the power minus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 1. Okay. First, you solve this two expression. The LCM is 6 and 8 is 24. 24. Here 4, 3 minus 1. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 3 minus 2 power minus 1. 4 minus 3 1. 1 by 24 to the power minus 1 plus 1 by 6 to the power minus 1. Again negative sign in the power. Change कर दो इसको. 1 by 24. तो we can write 24 by 1. 1 जो 1 लिखा है बस 24. Power remain the same 1. 6 power remain the same 1. तो 24 power 1 24 होता है. 6 to power 1 6 होता है. So this implies 30. 24 plus 6 30. I think आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा. ठीक है. तो एक हम लोग एक दो क्वेश्चन और कर लेते हैं. ठीक, ताकि हम लोग का जो कंसेप्ट है और थोड़ा क्लियर हो जाए और आप लोग को कोई दिक्कत ना हो घर में सॉल्व करने पर. और तब भी आप लोगों को दिक्कत होता है तो आप लोग कमेंट कर सकते हैं. अगर यूट्यूब पर देख रहे हैं वीडियो तो आप कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं डॉट. ठीक है, हम ट्राई करेंगे इसको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसको सॉल्व करने का. बस एक क्वेश्चन है आपके बुक से. एक क्वेश्चन है, देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. फाइंड the value of x so that 5 by 7 to the power minus 3 multiplied 5 to the power 7 to the power minus 11 equals to 5 by 7 to the power 7x. You have to find the value of x. You have to find the value of x. Now what you have given? Now write on this paper 5 by 7 minus 3 into 5 by 7 to the power minus 11 equals to 5 by 7 to the power 7x. Okay. Now, in this equation, here it is equation. Okay. In this equation, what we are observing, bases are same and multiplication sign present between them. So we can add the power. 5 by 7 minus 3 plus minus 11. Okay. So what we have done, we have add the power equals to 5 by 7. इसको क्या करते हैं तो एज इट इज है ना. इसको एक्सप्रेस इसको क्या करेंगे सिंपलीफाई कर देंगे बिकॉज़ बेस आर सेम. पावर को ऐड कर देंगे और इक्वल्स को क्या करते हैं एज इट इज प्राप्त करते हैं. अब देखो 5 by 7 क्या हो जाएगा ये -3 प्लस माइनस -11. 5 by 7 to the power 7x. ठीक है, 5/7 टू द पावर -3 -11 -14, 5/7 इक्वल्स टू 7/7x। ठीक है, एक चीज देख लो, एक कंसेप्ट है कि अगर in an equation if a to power m is equals to a to power n, है ना, अगर किसी इक्वेशन में अगर बेस सेम है और बीच में क्या है हमारा इक्वल टू का साइन है, तो पावर भी सेम होता है। in an equation if the bases on the both sides are equal, then power must be equal, must also be equal। इसको याद रखना है हमेशा, तभी क्वेश्चन बनेगा। ठीक है, तो अगर किसी इक्वेशन में अगर बेस सेम है, ठीक है, तो पावर क्या होगा, सेम होगा। तो यार देखो, इस इक्वेशन में बेस सेम है क्या, है ना, इस इक्वेशन का हमारा बेस सेम है, तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं पावर इज सेम, है ना, since bases are same, so therefore exponent must be equal, therefore 7 is equal to -14, x equals to -14/7 -2, therefore x equals to -2 is the required value of x। okay, now आज हम लोग यहीं पर अपना लेक्चर खत्म करते हैं। ठीक है, यू कैन सॉल्व द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर एक्सरसाइज 2b। अगर कोई दिक्कत होगा तो कल एक और क्लास का ले लेंगे हम लोग, एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि क्लास लेने की जरूरत पड़ेगा, आई थिंक तुम लोग सब बन जाएगा। ठीक है, फिर भी कल लोग एक क्लास करेंगे, कुछ क्वेश्चन करेंगे कल। ठीक है, और तब जाके हमारे चैप्टर फिनिश हो जाएगा। ठीक है, आज इसको नोट करो और इसको घर में सॉल्व करो, कल हम फिर मिलते हैं। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर।